Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make stuff into perspective. So I have this painting over here and I want to place it onto this slanted wall. But obviously by doing it the old-fashioned way, by holding the command key and then dragging your angles, you get pretty decent results, but you don't get perfect ones. So here's a cool way you can make a perfect perspective. You can put something into perfect perspective. First of all, hold down Command and click on the thumbnail of your painting. This will make it into a selection. Command C and copy it. Now you can deselect it and hide this layer for now. We're going to add a new layer. Then go to, where was it? Filter, vanishing point. You're now going to create a plane for your wall so that Photoshop can understand the perspective your wall is in. So you just click, 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 and click. I feel like this is pretty okay. Now you fix it. Fix up the whatever is not right with it. When you have a blue plane, that's when you got it right. If it's red, it's not going to work. It means there's something you have to fix. Anyway, you have your plane here. It's done and ready. Set Command V to paste in your painting, and then just drag it into your plane and it will automatically put it into perspective. Now, as you can see, this is a little too big, so as you would normally resize anything in Photoshop, just press Command T and resize your painting. Place it wherever you want. I'm going to go with pretty much in the center. Press OK. And there's your painting into perspective. It's on a completely different layer, so you're not ruining your image or whatever. What you can do next is double click on your layer to make it a little more realistic. You could add a drop shadow and adjust the opacity and the size of it to make it kind of look like it's hanging on the wall. Kind of like this. Before, after. Looks okay, I guess. What you could also do is then apply some effects to make the colors merge more with the lighting and the shades of the room. But, you can perfection it later on. It's such a cool effect. It's so precise. You're not going to waste as much time trying to put everything in the right perspective. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe if you like my content and comment what you'd like to see next. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.